So I've just got my hands on the new Xiaomi 17T, and honestly, this thing feels way more premium than the price suggests. Right out of the box, you're getting the phone, a matte silicone case, USB cable, paperwork, and depending on your region, either a fast charger or you might not get one at all, which is a bit annoying. In the hand, it's slim at just over 8mm, lightweight, and the camera module actually doubles as a nice grip point. Now the big highlights, that Leica-tuned triple camera setup is seriously impressive, especially the 5x periscope zoom. It punches way above its price. The display is bright, smooth, and just really clean overall. But the real star? Battery life. The 6,500 to 7,000 mAh cells easily push into multi-day use territory. Verdict: if you want flagship-level cameras and insane battery life without paying ultra-premium prices, the 17T is absolutely worth a look.